See how we looking. I know we looking good looking, but let's see how this cooking is looking. Ooh, yep, that's what we're looking for. Man, what we gonna do today, y'all, we gonna do something super simple. We gonna do a stovetop pot roast. But what we got here is a in blade. We got the bone in pot roast. So the bones are going all through here. We got the marbling going all through here. Oh man, it's gonna look delicious. It's gonna taste delicious. There's gonna be so much flavor. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be super simple. All right, we're gonna show y'all how to do this. Let's create an East pot roast, baby. Now y'all see what that marbling looking like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is what I use for a simple beef rub. Always with the Lawry's. Hit it. Like that. Boom, boom. The side there, yeah, like that. Flipper. That. Lawry's always does wonders for beef. Yes, it does. Then we gonna go ahead and hit it with the old garlic powder here. That. Super simple. Hit it with some dry thyme leaves. Smelling good already. All right. What else we gonna do? A little oregano. Pepper. Let's get that pepper in there, baby. Whoa. And some paprika. All right, let's let that sit for a while. Get our pot up to heat, and then we're gonna cut up some onions and garlic. Let's go ahead and start this baby off with a slight simmer. All right, let's get our onions and stuff sliced up. We're gonna go ahead and get them a little fine. These onions and garlic are pretty much the secret to any good flavor, to any good meat and vegetables. We're gonna smell up the house. We might even open up the windows and smell up outside. People say, "Ooh, I know they cooking something good up in there." Just slicing up 2 small yellow onions. You use any onions you want. Red, white, scallions. She'll pot roast. All right. I think that's cool there for the onions. Do that. Go ahead and get this garlic chopped up nice. Oh, yeah. Nothing better than fresh garlic. Stuff smells good, boy. We We just doing some rough chops. Okay, that's about enough garlic. So yeah, we good on the garlic. All right. We gonna get this in here to searing, get some color on it. We gonna be good, baby. Let's get this big piece of meat seared. Yeah, baby. Go ahead, let this sear. Turn up the heat just a little bit. All right, y'all, I got my stovetop cooker up now. It's in medium high. Got it searing like a steak for this first portion. Man, that smells good. All right, let's see what it's looking like on the other side here. Ooh. Ooh. And it's gonna leave all that good flavor. Then we're gonna throw the onions, then the garlic, and then we're gonna make up our own little water broth to season with. Then we're gonna cut up some potatoes and carrots, baby. Man, it's gonna be good. Y'all see how that's looking already. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's about all you want to do to our meat. You know, we browned it a little bit. Now let's go ahead and get these onions up in there. Create extra flavor. The garlic in there with it. There we go, y'all. All right. So let's get those sweat down. Then we're going to go ahead and make us a little broth. Oh, man, that smells so good. Ooh-wee. Show y'all what that's looking like already. Let me see. It ain't too hot. Yes, baby. Look at that little juice. All right, y'all, let's make up our little stock. Put a little W sauce in there. All right, put out my tablespoon measurer here. All right, I'm gonna start with the Lowry's first. 3/4 tablespoon of Lowry's. Alright, I gotta go to the store, y'all, get some more garlic powder. Yep. Tablespoon of that. Thyme leaves, half a tablespoon. The same with this oregano, half a tablespoon of that, and do about I'd say about half tablespoon of paprika. We just freestyling, y'all. Get that pepper going. All right, got our pepper. Whisk up. Or if you want to be fancy, instead of whisking, get you a little immersion blender or something. Now, tell me. Don't that look like some broth that you went and bought from the store? That's it, baby. Oh. That's how we do it. Keep it simple, baby. All Now, go ahead and drop this meat back in here. Let it braise for about an hour. Then we're going to go ahead and add our potatoes and carrots. Let it cook for about a total, I would say, with this guy, it's to its tender, 3.5 hours. All right, y'all. We got our potatoes and our carrots. Let's go ahead and chop this bad boy up. Okay, about that thickness. It's a pretty large potato. So that's why I'm just using one. See how many of those, so many potatoes I got up out of this? That was a big boy. Just like that. Got our potatoes. Trying to see if I'm gonna need this many carrots. Let's see. We'll find out. Don't need them ends. Okay, got that. All right, y'all, we've been having it simmering for about a half an hour now. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these potatoes and carrots in here. Just like that. Now, once they get AI to create smell-o-vision, it is over. It's over. Man, look at that. Gotta do some good eating, y'all. So I turn my fire down to a medium low to just do a simmer. And we're going to cut it all the way down to low just to let it go ahead and let this roll for about, since we had it on for about 3 hours, we're going to see what it looked like in about 2.5 hours. So we're going to go relax and watch some YouTube. All right, my peeps, we are at the 2.5 hour mark. Let's see how we looking. I know we're looking good looking, but let's see how this cooking is looking. Yep, that's what we're looking for. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, baby. So I'm going to let it go for about another half an hour because I want it even a little more fork tender. And then we're going to plate it up. Whew. Good. And we're going to plate it up from there. All right. I'll see y'all back. Ooh, look at that bone. Clean off. All that flavor. Man, this smells so good. Make it look good for the thumbnail. Good stuff here, baby. How we gonna eat this? With a fork or spoon. Oh, man. Oh, my God. On the stove tops. Man, this is unbelievable. Well, y'all saw how simple that was. Super duper easy meal to do on the stove top. Don't need to buy no beef broth. Do everything y'all saw. I did it. Everything just super simple. And what we love about pot roast is that we don't have to prepare no sides. We got our potatoes and carrots all the way up in there. We got potassium, we got complex carbs, we got vitamin C, we got B12 from the beef, protein. Man. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all as always. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to get back to you. Man, we're going to keep showing out. All right, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Much appreciated as always. Getting that food shot ready. This is how we get it ready for a thumbnail. Presentation, baby.